Hello from Slovenia again. I don't know what it's what is going on with me lately, but since I start pouring, so many new techniques developed, and I just find my niche with flower dips and everything. But lately I kind of getting mesmerized again, because this was my thing when I start pouring with straight pours, and today I will do another straight pour. And the colors that I will use are, this is Triart Ultramarine Modern Blue, and I have Pearl White, I have Holbein Quinacridone Gold, I have Triart Cobalt Teal, I have 24K Gold by DecoArt, and I have Prussian Phthalo by Amsterdam. So I'm going kind of in blues because it's summer here. We just put our pool out and just want to do that. And I will just layer my cup with a little bit of this blue first and some pearl white, for some effects maybe. And I like this Quinacridone Gold next to it, next to the white, because it's beautiful. And I will sandwich it with white, I think, and Cobalt Teal and 24K Gold. So I'm expecting some reaction from 24K Gold and from my Pearl White. We will see. And it's Prussian, and back to this blue is so beautiful. I'm kind of didn't had time to pour lately because of the Raiko's health and raffle piece for the PourCon that I have to do. It's getting closer and closer, me coming to Vegas on PourCon. Come join us, it will be so much fun. So many artists and people who like fluid art on one place. It can be different than amazing. I will just put those paints that I will not use anymore aside. And the Cobalt and 24K. Just hope that this 24K will not take over. Okay, so my cup is full, not completely, but I'm just thinking if I want some white here on the bottom, just a little bit to pour in maybe. And maybe I will travel, maybe I will go just straight pour, I will go high and down, and I don't know. I will just go with the flow. I love it. I love the fingerlings. I love this blue here. Torch. And I'm happy that my 24K gold didn't take over. It just mixed with those blues to create some greens. And I'm happy. I really am. Maybe one more spin to maybe get some of this off. Let's see. Yeah. Enough. So here it is. Those fingerlings are gorgeous, and this part with the triard blue, ultramarine, modern blue is just gorgeous, and this white around. Maybe if I would do another one, I would leave out the 24K gold, because I love this Hawaiian quinacridone sandwiched with white, because you see just some accents, but I believe that those greenish cells are from 24K gold mixed with cobalt, and I'm not sure if I'm completely okay with that, but otherwise it's gorgeous. I like it. It's kind of a cloudy pour in a way, and this is something that I would not want to be there, but you can't have all. So I will say that this one is done, and probably I will grab another canvas and do another one, and trying to leave this 24K gold out. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.